Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simple Green Deck Cleaner. Before you begin, gather your essential supplies, including a sprayer, a stiff bristled brush, and appropriate safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, clear your deck of all furniture, potted plants, and any loose debris. It is also important to protect nearby landscaping by thoroughly wetting down any plants or shrubs with water. Finally, always test the cleaner on a small, hidden spot. Now, let's prepare the solution. You will need to dilute the Simple Green Deck Cleaner with water according to the instructions. For general or light cleaning, a good starting point is to mix 1 part cleaner with 10 parts water. However, if you are tackling tougher grime or heavily soiled areas, opt for a stronger, 1-to-1 ratio of cleaner to water. Once mixed, apply the solution evenly to a small, manageable section of your deck surface. With your music files in place, it's time to jump into the game. Start Euro Truck Simulator 2 and load your preferred profile. Once you're driving, simply press the R key on your keyboard. This action brings up the in-game radio interface. Within this menu, you'll find a dedicated tab labeled User Music, where all your uploaded tracks will be listed and ready to play. The final step is a thorough rinse. Using a garden hose or a pressure washer on a low setting, rinse the cleaned section of your deck completely. Make sure all cleaner residue is entirely removed to prevent any streaking or damage. Once rinsed, allow your deck to air dry completely before you replace any furniture or plants. For added longevity and protection against future stains, consider applying a suitable deck sealant once it is fully dry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.